Now it's just hurting. There we go. Crown Royale plus Court Kings Blasters. How you doing? 2162. Sorry about that. I needed to make sure I got the clap right. Removing the Pelicans. They cannot win themselves. This is 5 times. Let's do this. 1, 2, 5 times. Here we go. 3, of course. There's the timestamp. Our IP address. 4. And, of course, on the 5th and final spin, the top team is the Charlotte Hornets. The Hornets win their giveaway compatriots 5 times. Hornets on top. We'll get rid of the randomizer. Find out who's got Charlotte. And that is Keegan Popowski. Congratulations. Picking up the Pelicans. How about the Sacramento Kings lately? One more clap. Oh, that was good. Here we go. Of course, any team can be huge in these sorts of products. Tabby, what's for dinner, mate?
Just a little tortilla wrap.
What?
A little wrap.
Oh, okay.
Like salsa and guacamole.
Yeah? You got guacamole. He's your mate.
Only $5.
Giannis, Aaron Gordon, Nikola Jokic, Dennis Rodman, and Goga Batadze. Tabby, what's your favourite food store local to Cherry?
Zappa.
Yeah? Porzingis, Dylan Brooks, Shai Gilgeous, Kendrick Nunn, rookie acetate, and Bruno Fernando. Yeah, is Logan secretly Dale? Oh, rookie auto to 25 for the Suns. They were calling him Baby Westbrook. I don't know about it anymore, but Jalen Lacroix. Haha, mon ami. Bonjour Siakam and Kevin Porter Jr. Bonjour, Suns. Picking up a Trey Magnifique card. That is very nice. Toutes nos felicitations. No worries. Goran Dragic, Caris LeVert, De'Aaron Fox, a purple amethyst for the Pacers of TJ Warren and Kobe White. Simmons, Ayton, CJ McCollum, Rui Hachimura, and nice Brennan Clark. I knew it, Adam Smith. Your projection by using the word nerd. When Tabby's the biggest nerd, I knew it. James Harden, cross-hatching handles, Eric Paschal. Academy of Fine Arts, Moses Malone, and a PJ Washington Jr. Here we go, so a good start. Let's hope for a good finish. Is there a job that you do at your work, in your life, this kind of pisses you off? Oh boy, one of my favorite autograph sets coming up. Here we go. Bradley Beal, Pascal Siakam, Kevin Love, Cam Johnson, a blue Kevin Knox, the Kevin Knox numbered 20 of 99, and nice rookie royalty 33 of 99, Cam Reddish. And now, this is one of the only cards that I ever put into a top loader upside down because it just seems to make sense. So congratulations, Hawks. One of the last teams to go. Fuck off. Heirs to the throne of Jackson Hayes, and this sucks. Royalty autograph, far out, that is pretty. To 49, Louis Dampierre. That is very pretty. Louis Dampierre. I mean, it's a pretty card. Kentucky Colonels. Wait, they actually didn't become anyone, did they? Oh, he's going to mix up with Buffalo Braves. Kentucky Colonels. No, we don't. We're talking about the basketball team. No, someone will get it. San Diego Sales, ABA 10 teams, Baltimore Claws shut down by the league, and unpaid bills. San Diego Sales each folded. 7 teams shall have the season ended. Virginia squads cannot make a financial assessment. ABA teams became ABA NBA merger. Chicago Bulls obviously. Cease to exist. All right. So the Bulls killed them. And Louis Dampier, let's have a look. So his first NBA team was the Spurs, and that'll be who it goes to. So this will go the way of the Spurs. As that was his first team he played for straight after the Colonels folded. He went straight from ABA to NBA. Congrats, Spurs. Alrighty, we're going to find out exactly who picks up the random spot. There's randomizer. Here we go. That's all 30 teams. We're going to randomize it one time. Whoever's on top picks up a spot in our Spectral Player Break. Good luck to all. One time. Congratulations. Oh, you got to be joking me. Charlotte Hornets on top again. 1 in 30 chance, I guess. Charlotte Hornets. And that, of course, was Keegan. Congratulations. Maybe Keegan is cherry.